Every second counts in material handling. When equipment fails, operations stall, deadlines slip, and costs rise. But what if you could prevent breakdowns before they happen? Unexpected failures don't just slow you down. They disrupt productivity, impact safety, and eat into profits. That's why smart operations rely on planned maintenance. Planned maintenance is more than routine servicing. It's a proactive strategy. By scheduling inspections, battery services, and timely part replacements, you keep equipment running at peak performance. The results? Longer equipment lifespan, fewer emergency repairs, and a safer workplace. Predicting potential issues allows you to plan downtime strategically, minimizing disruptions and maximizing efficiency. In a fast-moving industry, staying ahead means being prepared. Planned maintenance isn't an expense. It's an investment in uptime, reliability, and profitability. Keep your operations moving. Make planned maintenance a priority. At NewTek, we're your partner in keeping your operation running smoothly.